What's going on, fellow Caspians? So there was something I mentioned on Saturday at a live stream, and I figured I'd make a quick video about it because it is something to keep track of related to Caspa and what's going to happen over the next, 4 weeks now, right? 4, maybe 5 weeks. But I was just looking again, and the Fed rate monitor, the probability of a rate cut on September 17th is decreasing even more, down to 84%. So it's like every day I look at it and it comes down. I was like, last week it was at 90%. A 90%, oh, that was over 90, like 92 or something like that, chance of a rate cut happening in September. And during my live stream on Saturday, it was down to 86, and then today it is down to 84. So, in general, I think the entire crypto market is going to experience a pullback, maybe like for a few weeks, starting on September 17th or even the day after, because the market is already pricing in the idea that we're going to get a rate cut in September, right? So if we do get a rate cut, we might get a pullback in the crypto market, and it'll be brief, regardless. If there's a bull run, whether or not the bull run top is this year or next year or whatever it is, we're experiencing a good run up right now. ETH is pumping, and we should see some major all-time highs with everything, right? But it doesn't mean there's not going to be a pullback for a few weeks, a nice retracement. Um, with Casper, I think is going to be more significant because not only is the market pricing in the idea of a rate cut in September, it's also pricing in the smart contracts that are coming out in a few weeks too. So they're going to be released in a few weeks. So Casper might see some significant pullbacks. So just figure to be prepared for that. Hopefully in the next few weeks we're going to see some good pumps. But hopefully we're going to pass 15 cents. I've never swing traded Casper. I would like to. It's just never gone up to a point where I wanted to swing trade it. But I could do it for the first time and buy back in October, or well after September 17th, right? Um, but the fear that I have is that there is not going to be a rate cut because for some reason the probability of it just keeps on decreasing. So if there's not going to be a rate cut, there's going to be like a major retracement, not just a normal one, a major one, because people are going to be like flipping out. Um, so fingers crossed that it happens. The only way that crypto is probably not going to pull back after the 17th is if the rate cut happens and it's more than expected. It's more than 25 basis points, right? If it's 50 or 75, but that would mean that something really bad, like significantly bad, would have to happen with the economy in the next 4 weeks, right? In order for that to happen. But for some reason, it's going the opposite way, where the probability of just a single rate cut is decreasing. Anyways, be safe out there. Figure I want to give you a heads up and a brief video. Latest.